Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on artificial intelligence and its applications. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of AI, what it is and where it is making a real difference in our lives. Let's begin AI with the very basic definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence or AI refers to the machine that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, or even recognizing images and speech. Let's define AI in another term. It is a field of computer science focused on building a smart machine capable of mimicking human intelligence. This system can see, hear, learn, decide, and adopt just like we do. Examples of AI: voice recognition like Siri or Alexa, image detections like face unlock, a smart decision making self-driving car, language understanding chatbot and translator, learning from the data, recommendation system like Netflix, Amazon. Let me explain you AI with a very simple real world example. Imagine a family member of 7, including grandmother, sitting together in a dining hall. Suddenly someone knocks the door. How she is going to predict each and every time correctly who is there at the door? Let's see. In morning 8 a.m., you hear a cycle bell, someone shouting fresh vegetable. You could not guess who will be there. But grandmother smiles and says, "That's Sunil, vegetable man." In the afternoon, 4 p.m., someone knocks the door. Everyone pauses, wondering who it could be. But the grandmother confidently says, "That must be Rasmi auntie." And when the door was opened, she was actually there. Again in the evening, 7:30 p.m., someone knocks the door. Grandmother confidently says, "It must be Ramesh the milkman." Everyone is amazed, and as expected, when the door opens, it's Ramesh. Now in our mind, the question arises, how she is predicting each and every time correctly. Basically, she is using her experience, observation of pattern and time of the day and the past event to predict each and every time correctly. This is exactly what AI tries to replicate, using the data and the pattern to make decisions or predictions